Hello, welcome to another installment of a prototype of the Universal Trunnion Sample Kit package. This time we have graphics, so that is what I am showing today. Now, to create this, I printed it out and I cut it, pasted it to the structure that we just got from Imagine. It's a little fragile. So, to get things started, I'm going to start with the liftoff here. So for a 360 view, here's the front MacLean Power logo. We have the title here and a line drawing of the trunnion right there in the front, so you know this is the front. And then if you move it to the side, we have the other three heads that we offer here at MacLean Power. So on the back we have the website here as well. We have the logo on each side. And then here on the top near the handle we have MacLean Power logo, QR code, the website to go to the landing page for this, which we launched everything on the web and on social media yesterday. So Tyler's video is on social media, it's on our YouTube channel, and we have the product pages set up, we have the landing page, and we have a flyer up there on the web as well. So I'm gonna open this up. And here's the inside and outside of the structure. So you see the product here, we have camo. We kept the inside pretty simple so the product can stand out. We put the title here. And then I'm gonna ask Imagine, which I'm assuming we will, this inside secure insert will be black, so it won't be white. Maybe we could even throw a logo on it. I'm not sure, but I will talk with them about that. And then another 360 view here. We have the website. We have Connecting People for Good, one of our slogans, MacLean Power logo. And then here's the back. See, yep, that's why I warned you. Here on the back we have a rendering, title. We have some call out short paragraphs about the product. And then we have different sections here on the back. So, you know, this one is highlighted, kind of like on the liftoff. It's the one front and center. And then we do have the other three. And then, you know, check out our whole family at MacLeanPower.com. And then once you go to the side, we have our two flags for our different locations where the products are assembled and shipped from. And we have Guardians of the Grid, another slogan on this side. We have the QR code here on the bottom, which is the same QR code here on the liftoff. Also on the bottom, we do have the MacLean Power logo, and then we have MacLeanPower.com on there as well. That's about it. Thank you for joining me again, and there will be another demo very soon. Thanks.